Geeks for Geeks School presents School Ambassador Program. This program is the voice of students in action, where actions mold the present into future we all can be proud of. Let's hear it their way.
Hey, my name is Yash Shukla. I am 15. I live in Gwalior. I study in St. Teresa School, currently in class 10th. I started programming when I was in 6th, and I started with Python, and a year ago I started learning data science and machine learning. I've created some basic models like stock prediction and pose detection from a video, gesture detections to gestures which are created by hands. And I'm also working with audio classifications and detecting the name of the bird from its sound. And later, as this year, I started C++ and Kotlin, and for Android Studio purposes, I've been developing an audio logs app, and also I want to contribute the society towards artificial general intelligence, which will be the goal of the humanity towards creating the artificial intelligence which all people think of. Artificial general intelligence, as labeled by IBM, is the most superior artificial intelligence will ever be created yet, but it's not created yet, so it must require a while. For now, it's too early. The current best AI currently is GPT-3, released by OpenAI. It is also open source, and it is free. It is not. It is commercial for developers and startups who want efficient works from AI, like chatbots and stuff. It's been great yet, and I want to be a major contributor in the artificial general intelligence process of humanity. Thank you.